What's up, guys? Crypto Patrick here, and today I want to talk to you guys about BitPay, and I want to talk to you guys about Bitcoin Cash, and just basically about how this new exchange, or like basically a debit card that BitPay uses, it's gonna start it's gonna start accepting Bitcoin Cash, and this is really important, guys. This is probably one of the most important things that has happened in recent time because we need to use our coins and convert them into USD, especially if we're in America right now. And one of the reasons why this happened is if you go to Google right now, we can look at Bitcoin fee current price. This is exactly why it's happening right now, guys. The Bitcoin price is about, I think it's about 40. Look at that. Let's see here. So if we go to the top, $41.61. Way too much. So if you look on one of these recent, I'll show you an article I just saw about this. See, I went on bitcoinist.com, and it says BitPay to add support for Bitcoin Cash and other cryptocurrencies. So now with that debit card, I just got mine recently. You're going to be able to instantly load Bitcoin Cash, which is going to have a lot lower fees. I think Bitcoin Cash right now is like 90 cents. We can find out right now. Watch this. Bitcoin Cash. You can just do this on Google, guys, if you want to do a quick calculation, but let's just take a look at it right now. Bitcoin Cash average fee. We're looking at a fee of 90 cents. That's it, 90 cents. It's because they added a lot more megabytes to their blockchain. If you look right here, we will. I'll just read a little bit about it right now and show you guys. So BitPay, one of the most popular Bitcoin payment processing companies in the world, today announced their support for more cryptocurrencies, starting implementing Bitcoin Cash to their payment platform and debit cards. That means you're going to be able to use your debit card at the bank wherever you go and do Bitcoin Cash. The fees in Bitcoin are too much right now. I'm going to switch a lot of my money over to Bitcoin Cash and other ones that allow me to use BitPay, so I can use these cryptocurrency profits that I keep making from mining Genesis and Bitcoin and Bitclub network. I'm making all this Bitcoin, and I want to be able to use it somewhere. But if Bitcoin prices are going to be $41, it's not usable. It's not usable at all. So BitPay is a point-of-sale company that allows for traditional business to accept Bitcoin. This provides an easy route for digital currency. And then basically it just says that they provide an easy way for users with a popular digital currency, which is attractive to businesses and customers. It's not really attractive anymore because of the high fees. Over the past year, the fee of Bitcoin network have skyrocketed. It's $40 right now. We just looked at it. The currency that once had low fees when it first started, this was all about low fees, has gone from $4 all the way up to $20, and now today, as we just looked at it, it's $40. And that's to input and output transactions. And that's due to basically more users on the network, and the Satoshis that you're paying for, those fees are similar. It's basically on a similar size transaction years ago. It's like 40 times as much today. These fees have caused companies like Steam, the gaming company, they're not using Bitcoin anymore. Other ones, Bitcoin's a dinosaur, you guys. Unless they come out with Lightning, or they increase the size of the blockchain. Like, these people made Bitcoin Cash because people were unhappy with Bitcoin. They're trying to come out with Lightning right now, but we'll see. That just basically groups together a bunch of transactions and sends them out as one. We'll see if that happens, but for right now, the fees are way too high. So basically, the popular gaming, they started accepting Bitcoin via BitPay since April 2016, but they decided to remove Bitcoin, citing significant increase in fees to process transactions on the Bitcoin network. So BitPay, this is the card I was telling you about, bitpay.com. That basically, they're announcing their support for altcoins. Today, BitPay announced plans to support payments across multiple blockchains, starting with Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is the fork of Bitcoin that was created back in August of this year. It boosts a higher block size and lower fees. As with the fork, they upped the block size to 8 megabytes from Bitcoin's 1 megabyte. That's the big difference here. A lot of people are going into Bitcoin, but that 1 megabyte is not supporting it. Their announcement on the BitPay blog, which explained their mindset for the decision, to open their doors. We've received repeated requests from merchants over the years to support additional blockchain payment methods. Many of the top alternative cryptocurrency blockchains make their own innovations on features which have made Bitcoin great for payments. They range from faster confirmations to greater payment privacy. So you're gonna have faster confirmations, less fees, and greater privacy. There's no point not to use Bitcoin Cash right now. They've all made it clear that they're not abandoning Bitcoin. They will just dedicate resources to developing better systems for Bitcoin payments. Okay, so and if we go to Bitpay.com, we can kind of see what's going on here. If you go to Bitpay, if you haven't signed up for one of their cards, this and the Shift card are really good on Coinbase, but Bitpay is a little better because you get to lock in your price. But if you go to their blog right here, let's see. Bitcoin will process payments on multiple blockchains, starting with Bitcoin Cash. Okay, we've started Bitpay in 2011 because we knew that Bitcoin blockchain could make faster payments, safer, more efficient than ever. We have been, let's see here. To meet the growing demand, Bitpay is moving now to support more payments on other blockchains, which Bitcoin has inspired. This is what I've been saying all along. The second we see adoption to exchange Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, all these other, IOTA, these ones into USD, we're gonna get widespread adoption, and Bitcoin's not going to be the top dog anymore. It's just the first, and that's the only reason why it is. And so basically they say, to meet the growing demand, Bitpay is moving to support payments on other blockchains, which Bitcoin has inspired. We've received repeated requests from merchants and users over the years to support additional blockchain payments. Allowing our merchants to accept payments on other blockchains will open up new customer bases to our merchants. Merchants can already reach hundreds of billions of dollars currently moved into the Bitcoin ecosystem. As Bitpay adds support for additional blockchains, our merchants will be able to serve new customers using other emerging currencies for payments. Due to blockchain success and rising adoption, demand for Bitcoin transaction is outstripping capacity, causing miners' fees to be $40, like we just looked at. With multiple blockchain payment options, our merchant customers will be able to choose one of the features, confirmation times, miner fee levels that work for them. And they're going to continue to build for Bitcoin payments. They're starting out with Bitcoin Cash. We've added Bitcoin Cash to support the BitPay wallet in September for this year, and the BitPay wallet app in September for this year. Since then, the growing demand from merchants and customers to enable Bitcoin Cash for our payment processing services too. Bitcoin Cash is a blockchain created by a fork of Bitcoin network. It allows for payments with significantly faster network confirmations and significantly lower miner fees. You can see the recent comparison of the average Bitcoin Cash miner fee to the average Bitcoin miner fee. Okay, so here we go. This is Bitcoin Cash, 0.21 cents. Bitcoin miner fee, $60. Ridiculous. We will begin adding support for Bitcoin Cash payments options this year, starting with BitPay card loads. All BitPay invoices will include BitPay Cash payment options by default in early 2018. What this means for merchants, your customers will continue to be able to use Bitcoin for purchases, but they will be able to choose between Bitcoin Cash or another blockchain payment method to complete their options. So you can see this on their app right now. You can choose which one you want. What this means for BitPay wallet users. BitPay wallet users already include an option for Bitcoin Cash support. So if you have the wallet right now, you can already get this. What's next for other blockchains? The BitPay team has worked hard to prepare our platform and other products for multi-blockchain payments. We will be looking closely at the network, hashing power, security, usefulness for payments, adoption, and market values, and key factors in the decision for the blockchain payments. So yeah, this is the future, guys. We're looking at Bitcoin Cash. I mean, if we look at it right now, let's go take a look on how much it is. I think it's cheaper than buying Bitcoin right now. If you're just looking at this video for the first time, I think Bitcoin Cash is the way to go. Bitcoin, look at it. It's already sinking. Those miner fees are killing it. It'll probably still go up. Bitcoin will still be around. It might even go up to like 50 grand a coin, but Bitcoin Cash is the future, guys. And look at it. It's down right now. You want to buy on this. This is the future. Ripple. These technologies you're going to be able to convert into cash or USD. Bitcoin Cash, there's already what is that, $55 billion into it. Bitcoin, there's just more with 265 billion. But Bitcoin Cash is not far behind, guys. So my prediction is get into Bitcoin Cash, get into these ones that BitPay and these other ones that you can exchange into USD. These are going to be more valuable than, it's not worth it to go to Starbucks and pay $5 and get a $40 fee, or send to your Jax wallet and get a $40 miner fee. No one wants to pay that kind of fee. That's almost ridiculous. It makes the whole point of cryptocurrencies irrelevant, unless you're like a millionaire and you just don't care. So yeah, look into Bitcoin Cash and BitPay debit cards. Just want to give you guys a heads up. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, please. Why not? I'll share good info with you. I'm gonna update a lot more videos. If you want to see what I do Genesis mining, Bitclub network. It's down right now, but those are two things that I do that I get paid in blockchains. And I think investing in ICOs is really good. But yeah, follow me on Facebook, subscribe to my channel, and let's connect. Definitely, I'll see you guys later.